Oh man, Misty, what do you think we should do today? Um, I'm not sure, Melissa. Well, I'm gonna listen to my music in a minute. Okay, I gotta go see what Angelica's doing. I then. Uh, that that I love drinking icy cold water. Wait a minute. What is that? Oh, would you look at that? It's Melissa's speaker. I think I'm gonna take a look at that thing. Ugh. Ugh. Oh, okay. Ugh. I'm gonna look at this for a minute. I don't see how Melissa operates this thing. I just don't see how. Hey, Angelica, what are you doing? Oh no! What did you do, Angelica? Oh no, 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 no! No! Oh man, I am so fired. What did you do? I spilt water on Melissa's speaker. Oh, Angelica, why? Seriously, Angelica. Melissa's gonna kill me. I know. I gotta go dry it with the towel. I'll be back. Oh god. Let's try it now. Oh god. Oh dear god. Oh shoot. Okay, I think it's dry enough. What will we do? What if it doesn't work? Then I guess we're screwed. Oh god. Oh god. Is right. Well, let me see what I could do with it before Melissa uses it. I'll just put it over here for right now. Oh god. You better hope you're not in trouble. I hope I won't get in trouble, boss. That thing is really important to Melissa, and I mean really important. Yeah, I know. Alright, boss, I'm gonna need my Bluetooth speaker. It's music time. Well, here you go, Melissa. Alright, sweet. Now, what load of laundry do you want to do? What? What's wrong, Melissa? My Bluetooth speaker's not turning on and making noises. Maybe it's not on. Nope, it's on. Or maybe the battery is dead. No, I charged it last night. Or maybe she spilt water on it. Angelica, I did not spill water on it. Boss, if you wouldn't have scared me, I wouldn't have dropped the water on it. Wait, you spilt water on my Bluetooth speaker? Yeah, it was her. I didn't do it. She did it. I didn't do it. What? Wait, Melissa, don't cry. Don't cry, Melissa. It's done. It's dead. No, you spilled water on it. Now I can't use it anymore. It's ruined. Melissa, it's okay. You don't even need it anyway. No, I need to use it for when I do laundry. Well, why do you need to use it when you do laundry? Because it gets me motivated and it's nice and loud that you can feel the bass. Well, you can go one time without using your speaker. Just listen to music on your tablet speakers. No, I have to use this one, and it's not making any noises. Okay. How about I just charge it? So Maybe it'll start working. You better hope it works! If not, I don't have the money to buy a new speaker! There. Alright, Melissa, it's charging. Now, just cool your jets and wait. You better hope it works. If it doesn't work, then I'm calling you guys douchebags. Okay, calm down, Melissa. Just let your speaker charge and see what happens. Okay, just calm down. Fine, I will. Okay, Melissa, it's been 5 minutes. It probably has some charge now. You better hope it works! Don't you think we should wait a little longer? No, I want to see if it still works after you and Angelica just spilt water on it. Okay. Let me see if it'll work. If that doesn't work, you're done. And so is Angelica. Jeez, you're scary. Hey, oh my god, it's working! Hey, wait a minute. I got you. Yeah, we got you, Melissa. That's what you get for driving us insane with your song. Oh, shoot. I knew this was a joke the whole time. Really? Yeah, because I know you guys would never ever spill water on it. Yeah, I know. That's why we decided to prank you. Well, thank God it worked. And now, you gotta face my punishment. Oh dear God, no. Oh man, please don't play it. I'm doing it anyway. Oh god dang, Melissa, turn it down, please. Oh man, turn it all down. No.